Hi, my name is Cash. In this video, I will show you how to add a custom domain to Azure portal, such as by default, when you log into your portal, you have a default directory and a default custom domain. But in this example, for example, you have bought a domain name such as GoDaddy, and you want to register and verify this domain and use in your Azure portal in your Azure. Then how to do this? I will show you how to add this domain and how to set up all the text records and the settings in GoDaddy to add the DNS records. And we'll make this custom domain primary. And after we make this custom domain primary, what we'll do, we create a user using this custom domain. Then after that, putting back default custom domain, which was earlier than that, as a primary, so you can delete it because this is just a test purpose. And let's see how it works. Okay, I'm logged into my portal. As you can see, there's already on the right hand side. This is an account which I created, my Azure portal, access Azure portal by default. If you go to Azure Active Directory, goes to custom domain names, and you can see that it's my name and .on Microsoft.com just by default, which we cannot delete. And now we will be adding a new custom domain name and make that as a primary. So as you can see, this is primary by default anyway, so it's grayed out, so we can't change it. Okay, just ignore this at the moment, which is the bottom. So let's see how we do that. Add a custom domain. So in this custom domain, I've already bought a domain name called cloudsoldier.co.uk. As you can see, the green tick is there. That means the domain name exists. Add domain. So after adding the domain, this give me all the settings, a record, the text record, which is ms equal to. We need to put these settings in my GoDaddy DNS record. So if I go to GoDaddy, as you can see, record. Right, I'm onto this GoDaddy page where I bought this domain name called cloudsoldier.co.uk. So I will be adding these text records, which I got this from Cloud Soldier, my Azure portal. As you can see, is a text record type. Alias is at A, and this is MS record, and time to live 3600. So we exactly put this information into our DNS management in GoDaddy. Click Add, select text type, add, populate automatically, put the txt value, just make sure that's the right one, 932, no sorry, it's the wrong one. So I'll change again, so 932, Control V, click Save, and should take like few seconds to populate. If we click Verify, oops, it takes I think few seconds to verify. Just gives a couple of seconds, like a 30 seconds. As after a couple of seconds, as you can see, this is verified. And if I go back to Cloud Soldier, and you can see that it's been verified. So at the moment, if we create any user, you need to use this custom domain, which is a primary custom domain. As you can see, this is primary. So let's see, shall we create a user with this custom domain? So first we will make this primary. So make this primary. Yes. Domain name made primary. Go to our Active Directory again. Go to user and create a new user, say Joe, username Joe at cloudsoldier.co.uk, and you can, for permissions, you can give them, sorry, my apologies, a directory role. You can give them whatever you want, limited administrator, such as these ones, or just a simple user or a global administrator. So in this case, I'll give them global administrator access. Click OK. You can show password, but when you log on with this user to the portal again, it will ask you to change the password. Click create. As you can see, there's a green tick is there. It's created. Bang, bingo. So before that, we had custom domain name. As you can see that custom domain name was Outlook on Microsoft.com available. So they both, this is by default and this is verified after buying this domain name. So now the task is we have done adding a custom domain to Azure portal, we verified, we made this primary, we created a user. So we need to put it back and delete this domain. We don't want to use it. Go back to default. And how do we do that? So for the procedure for this is to click to the default custom domain name and make this primary first. Click yes. So this made primary. Go back to Active Directory again, and you can see custom domain again, and go to your new custom domain which you just created and click delete. In order to click, see, as you can see, we got an error already because we have created a user using this custom domain name and Active Directory. So remove user references. So as you can see, we created this user. So we'll delete this user. Don't need it. So until you delete all the associated users or resources with this domain name, you will not be able to delete it. Okay, close that. Just go back again. Can we delete it now? Yes, we can delete it now. As you can see, it goes all the text meet requirements, delete, bingo. So we don't have the custom domain name. So to revise and give a summary of what we have done, we added a custom domain which we bought from GoDaddy.com. We verified this one. We added all the values to the Azure portal. We created a user using the custom domain. Then we decided we're not using this, so we put back to a default domain and related new customer. I hope you enjoyed this or learned something from this, and please leave any comments if you like it. Thank you very much. I'll be uploading new videos in future. Thank you. Bye.